What's up? So some of us have been getting back to school, well, in one way or another. I thought I'd do an everyday carry, no matter if you're at school or at home. So let's get into it. For this everyday carry, I figured people need to know about the 4 different sections of the everyday carry. So, the 4 different sections are communication, accessories, money, and protection. First up, let's get to communication. So, follow me back into my room. For me, I tend to roll with the iPhone X. Now, I believe the iPhone X is probably one of the best iPhones that Apple has made so far, as every iPhone after that has basically followed the same design language as the iPhone X. A lot of people complain about the form factor and the size. I got big hands, so you know what that means. I need a big phone. On top of this, I'm rocking the Apple Watch Series 3. This is one of the older generations, but I don't see a need for a new one, as this one has been working well for the past few years. Now let's check out accessories. For this section is accessories. In accessories, I carry around these 2 items. These are just some Airpods I carry around with the D-brand skin. Nothing fancy, these are still the first generation Airpods. Next, I carry around this Samsung charger. It's about 10,000 milliamp hours, and on top of that, it's wireless. So what's nice about it is I don't need to carry around any wires with it. I just pop my phone or my AirPods on top of it. They charge super easily. It also comes with a USB port, which helps me charge it if I need to plug in some other items that aren't my AirPods or my phone. It isn't heavy at all. It just basically feels like you're carrying 2 phones in your pocket, which for some people that might be a little disorientating, but I find that you get used to it after a little bit. Next, we have the money portion. I'm 16, so don't take any advice from me. So just click down here if you want to skip past the video, or you can see there's a little section that you can skip past this. It looks like you decided not to skip past this section, so don't blame me if you lose all your money. But since you asked for this bad advice, let me tell it to you. So here are the cards I use most frequently. I have the Apple Card and the Chase Card. The Apple Card is a credit card, and the Chase Card is my own personal bank account. Since I'm 16, I use the high school account on Chase Bank, and I can tell you, I got a little bit of money in there. Literally, $1.16. The thing I really like about the Apple Card though is the second a purchase is made from it, I get a notification. So there have been times where websites have charged me like $1 and stuff like that, and I've had to dispute them because, I don't know, there's just random charges that you don't realize until you get the notification. So the second someone charges me, I get that notification. Next, my wallet, I use the Ridge wallet. It's a very square silver wallet that, well, just looks a little janky in my opinion. They forgot to even tell me that they were going to sponsor the video or even send me a product. And aside from that, since I can't afford a $125 wallet, I just use this old Coach wallet. Now, I'm sure it was expensive at the time, but I think I got it around when I was 6 or 7 to store stuff in, and I've held it ever since. Aside from that, I put a tile tracker in it just in case I lose things, but I heard Apple's coming out with Apple Tags soon, so I'm not going to replace any of my tile trackers. I'm just going to let them die and wait for the Apple tracker to come. For this last section, we got protection. No, not that kind of protection. They come in these little square containers. Okay, no, I'm realizing what they look like now. No, these are Band-Aids, and I keep these in my wallet. Not that other stuff. Get your mind out of the guy. And these are really useful just in case you get a cut. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Subscribe if you liked that video, or if you thought any of these terrible jokes were actually funny. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Oops. Why don't just sit there, subscribe? Or I don't know what you want to do. Click a button at least. Don't just sit here with me.